Take a deep breath. Now if you feel like you're going up and getting a little bit taller, you're breathing so wrong. Breathing wrong is when you use your neck and shoulders to pick up your thoracic cavity. So try this now. Take a deep breath and watch. If you feel like you're going up and getting a little bit taller, and then you come down and settle on your exhalation, that's actually a dysfunctional breath. Most people breathe with an upper body breath that's actually anatomically incongruous and leads us to being in a fight or flight mode, meaning more anxiety, shoulder and neck problems, not being able to digest properly, and sleep issues. A good breath is a breath that is anatomically congruous and goes with the rest of your body, meaning that when you inhale and you expand your body, your neck and shoulders don't move. You expand all the way around your body in 360 degrees. You come forward a little bit, your sides open up, and even your back opens up. This is the way humans are evolutionarily designed to breathe in through the nose and 360 degrees around your torso.